everybody have a dream, but many people they have knowledge and answers. But
Sorry? Say that. Does virginity is what?
Matters in relationship.
Matter relationship? No. No.
Okay, thank you for that.
If you love each other.
Thus, virginity matters in relationship. Okay guys, welcome back to Mon Vlog. So today's video, we are going to do a social experiment here in Shillong by asking random people, does virginity matters in relationships? So without further ado, let's just see the reaction or let's just see the feedback from people. Let's get started. Does virginity matters in relationship?
No.
Can you explain a little bit?
Nowadays?
Yeah.
No.
What about you? No.
It's our mentality, actually.
Okay. Are you guys single or you are already in relationship?
No, we are single.
Single, and you?
That's why we are both.
Oh, okay then. Okay, so sorry for that. So can I ask you one question?
Yeah.
Does virginity matters in relationship?
I know, I never had a relationship. Of course it matters more.
Okay. Can you be my girlfriend?
I can't because I don't know your nice day, so that's the problem.
Can we ask you one question?
yes,
We do a social experiment with you, okay? So, why should I run away? Feel shy.
yes, sir.
So, okay, here's the question. Does virginity matters in relationship?
Depends upon people. Like what type of person he is.
Okay.
That's it.
Okay, thank you so much for that.
Yep.
It's okay if I upload this in YouTube video.
Yeah, you can do that.
Okay, thank you so much.
It's okay.
No, it's not matter.
It's kind of like, I don't know what to say. So here's the question. Does virginity matters in relationship?
No.
And you?
Sorry? Say that. Does virginity is what?
Matters in relationship.
Matter relationship? No. No.
Okay, thank you for that.
If you love each other, so I don't think so. Virginity. Okay. Hi, so I will check YouTube.
Okay, you can check it Mon Vlogs, okay?
Okay.
One question for you, sir.
Yes, please.
Does virginity matters in relationship?
I don't think so. It matters a lot.
Okay.
Why?
We are doing a social experiment video for you.
Okay, sure.
Okay.
For YouTube.
Yeah, for YouTube.
No, it doesn't matter a lot. And see, at the end of the day, love matters.
Okay.
With whom are you spending? Because you have ups and downs on your life.
Okay.
So the true person is who stands up in your tough times. Okay. Everybody have their own privacy, man. You have to respect that.
Okay.
So that's my advice.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank
sir,
you so much. Yeah.
for the advice that you have given.
Yes.
Okay. So it's okay if we upload this in YouTube.
Cool.
Okay.
Anytime. My name is Jim Rabha, and the best thing is that life has to go on, man.
Okay.
Life has to go on. The good advice is that, see, everybody have a dream, but many people they have knowledge and answers, but the person who have dreams, their way is more bigger than all the answers.
Okay. Here's the question that I have for you. Does virginity matters in relationship?
Jangan kan, Hang apa boy?
Like,
It kind of does. Kamatahi ta long hadut tak tambah kedan kami palang kata.
okay. Okay guys, according to me, you know what? Virginity doesn't matter. What's all matter? Love is matter, right? So when it comes into relationship, that's all, my man. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.